Good morning, my dear children. Yesterday we have done the concept birds. Yes, I hope you all have learnt about the birds. So, let us revise. Firstly, tell me which bird is this? Name of this bird?
This is a crow.
Yes, very good. Now, next, name of this bird?
This is a pigeon.
Very good. Tell me which bird is this?
This is a peacock.
Very good. And you know, this is our national bird, beautiful bird. And which bird is this?
This is a parrot.
Yes, and this is green color. Very good. And which bird is this? Small.
This is a sparrow.
Very good. Now, which bird is this? This is big.
This is a eagle.
Very nice. And now, my dear children, tell me which bird is this?
This is owl.
Very good. Which bird is this?
This is a hen.
Wonderful. Now, my dear children, tell me about birds.
Ma'am, birds have 2 eyes, 2 legs, and 2 wings.
Very nice. Okay, where do birds live? कहाँ रहते हैं?
Birds live in nest.
Yes, we live in house, they live in nest. Where do birds fly?
Ma'am, they fly in the sky.
Very good. What birds eat?
Ma'am, they eat grains and seeds.
Very good. So, my dear children, today again revise the bird's name and about them. Okay, we will meet again. Bye bye.